Huh, that's what the heck? Oh. Yeah, this is the DR trimmer mower. We're gonna fix this thing up. 6.75 horsepower, overhead valve. It's just like a giant weed whacker, basically. It's pretty big too.
Got it!
You got it? You got it moving?
Yeah.
Oh, hot bolt.
No,
Keep going, keep going.
Like, how do we get that?
Yay.
Wait, it doesn't run.
This is Harvey.
It's a Cub Cadet and a National Harvester with a rototiller at the back.
Yep.
This is the Toro, which doesn't run.
Let's get in there just to show them a little more detail.
This one is a 3-speed with reverse manual, which probably all kids of this era don't know what a manual is, probably. So you young kids won't know what a hydrostatic is. It's just... Rocket doesn't even know what a hydrostatic it is.
Nothing is hydrostatic anymore.
Well, lots of lawnmowers aren't hydrostatic. They're like part hydrostatic.
What is hydrostatic? Just explain it, please.
So the engine, there's the rear axle.
Yep.
There's hydraulic line in here. In here, I don't know if you can see in there, there are actually hydraulic lines. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right at the middle of the screen. They go back to the rear axle, which goes to a cylinder which has little fins and stuff in it. Mm-hmm. Hydraulic fluid goes in one side, spins it, and goes out the other, back to the engine to get recirculated.
Okay.
This used to be a 7-horse, but
we switched it out. The 7-horse is the one that we showed in the last episode. Yeah, last episode right there.
Okay, kids from this era who don't know what a clutch pedal is. The clutch pedal disconnects the engine from the rear axle so you can shift gears so it doesn't go and just demolish all your gears.
This is the original 7-horse that was on the Toro.
It's really soft in high temperatures.
We already did this in we found an engine. It's good this time. This one right here. That one right there. Okay, we're gonna go 4-wheeling. Okay, where's the starter? Where is it?
Oh, it's right here.
Yep.
Watch your toe.
Absolutely not. Nope. Okay, let's go back.
Put it on reserve tank.
the best ride I've ever had on this four-wheeler. That was awesome. Uh-oh. You not mean to stop there?
I did.
He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me?
Don't do that, don't do— No!
It's the cop.
Okay. So, we accidentally did not hit record button. I didn't hit the record button. But we got that nut off. And I'm going to try to put this no parking anytime sign on. But, there was a bunch of earwigs hiding behind it. So I'm going to go get the bagger, see if I can attach it to that. He was trying to heat up another nut and it was stuck inside the frame and it ended up catching on fire. It exploded when he threw it on the ground. Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Ow, dang. This is my leg. That's not good. Okay, now we do the...
Oh, sorry, I broke your shin.
Ow!
And never seen again until he was.
Bend it.
Burn it.
I'm gonna set this. Ow! 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 My leg's under there! Don't do that! Ah! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Move.
It's decent. That's perfectly fine. Oh, hey, Taff! Hi! Oh, whoop! The camera is backwards. Just turn that thing around and. I want to do it like that. That's perfect! This needs to be attached in some way. If you want to live stream,
Subscribe. Just
yeah.
subscribe anyway.
Yeah, subscribe if you want to live stream, because then we'll get a live stream.
Bumpers!
I don't know why I did this. I'm just gonna put this back and give up.
Stop surfing!
Craft right now.
Probably is. Is it okay if I rip this thing off?
Go ahead. That was kind of satisfying. Video, but sadly, Time over here is gonna go to Wyoming tomorrow.
Wyoming!
He's gonna send us some videos though, so you're gonna keep you updated on him. Well, we can't really do anything here. Lawnmower videos, but so when
1 week without them.
a week? You're only leaving for a week?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. It's just a week, but it'll still be. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss that. So.